At Huntington, we believe in connecting with community, like partnering with St. Vincent de Paul to help those in need.
Drop off new fans and window air conditioners at area St. Vincent de Paul thrift stores. Or donate a new fan at Coney Island now through August 16th and receive a free all-day rides wristband.
Stop by any Huntington branch to make a monetary donation. Please join us to help those who need proper cooling and ventilation most.
St. Vincent de Paul and Huntington, connecting with community and working to make life even better right here in Greater Cincinnati.